My name is Shamik McPherson, and I am one of the clinical counselors at Meek. In recognition of Mental Health Awareness Month, we have been focusing on topics that can help you improve and maintain your mental health. Today, I want to discuss problem solving. In this video, I will define problem solving and the 4 steps involved in solving a problem.
Problem solving skills are important to maintaining a healthy mental status. Every day, people are faced with different challenges in life that require the use of skills to guide them in identifying and developing a strategy to solve problems. The inability to solve problems can leave the average person feeling overwhelmed. It can cause increased stress, negative mood, negative thinking, and it can affect relationships negatively. Ongoing stress and pressures can make it hard to step back and think effectively about the best way to handle a situation. Having a systematic way to solve problems can help address problems more effectively, regain a sense of control, and increase your belief in your ability to be successful. Problem solving can be broken down into 4 steps. The first step is to define the problem and decide ownership. The second step is to set the goal. The third step is brainstorming ideas. The fourth step is evaluating and choosing the best solution. Now, let's work through the steps of problem solving. The first step in problem solving is to define the problem. You must identify the problem, be specific, and stay focused. When defining the problem, you want to think as clearly as possible about what the problem really is. If your problem is complex, break it down into manageable chunks. Often, what seems like a big problem can be broken down into smaller problems that are easier to solve. If you have to break one problem into 2 or 3 chunks, don't worry that you might not solve all parts of the problem. The key is to stay focused on one part of the problem at a time and not get sidetracked by your other chunks and other problems. There are some things to consider when defining the problem. Ask yourself these questions about your problem. Is the problem happening to me? Is the problem between me and someone else? Is the problem happening to someone else? Is the problem happening between 2 or more other people? If the problem is happening to someone else, or it's happening between 2 or more other people, this may not be your problem that you can fix, but a situation for someone else to work on. Is setting the goal. Decide what you really want to happen or to be different, or what you're concerned about. In step 2, identify your needs, your wants, your fears, and your concerns. Step 3 is to brainstorm, which is making a list of possible options to help you come up with ideas that you might not have considered. Write down as many possible options as you can think of, including good or bad ideas. Don't judge them yet. Don't think about whether they are realistic or not. Some might even sound silly, but that's okay. The final step is to choose the best solution and test it out. Let's go back to step 3 and go through the list of options and think about how helpful you think they would be. Get rid of any that don't seem helpful and pick options that seem reasonable, that you think might help, that you'd like to put into action. Your final solution to the goal might be a combination of options.
me for this segment of the Mental Health Awareness video series. Remember, if you are struggling with solving problems that arise, please don't hesitate to contact us for more information.
You can contact us at the Empowerment Center. We're located at 106 Calhoun Street in downtown Charleston. Our number is 843-724-9035. Or you can reach us online at motheremmanuelsupport.org. And guess what? There is an app for that. If you go to our website, motheremmanuelsupport.org, you can download our app where you can find other solutions to managing stress and other mental health related issues. If you need to speak with me, my name is Shamik McPherson, and my email address is listed below on this slide. I hope you've enjoyed this.